It is Christmas time at Ikea, and I can't wait to show you guys everything they're putting out for the holidays. So they do have a few artificial Christmas trees. They had some out last year as well. This year they have a shorter one that is just $29.99, and one that's probably closer to 6 foot or so, just as sparse, but this one is $49.99. For $14.99, they do have a 55-inch Christmas tree. It just comes in a plastic wrap, and it looks like it's 2 pieces. And for $19.99, they do have some nice 4-foot potted pine trees. And for $49.99, they have a small black metal Christmas tree. This one's definitely on the shorter side, I guess probably about 3.5 feet tall. So they sell a lot of these plastic star lanterns. I look forward to seeing them each year. This year they've got one in blue and white with a gold center. I'm not sure why, but it looks like it's already only $5.99, and the base that you can stand it on is on clearance for $4.99. Up above, they've got a few more colors and the snowflake. For $12.99, they have the hanging snowflake lanterns, and then the lighting mechanism is $1.49 a piece. So they do have samples of all of the stars hanging up above. And down here they have them connected to the tabletop lamp version that I showed you guys for $4.99. Now the stars are sold separately for $5.99. It comes in white and in red. And for $5.99, they have a beautiful white lacy looking star. So this one they do have on the tabletop stand. I wanted to show you guys the design before I flip the light on and show you it all lit up. So pretty. They also have an extra large white star with some red pinstripes. I don't see that one here down below. They also have this really cute white LED standing star that comes on a base for $9.99. For $19.99, they do have a piece of light up table decor with some white trees on a wood base, a little red house, and the cord does have a little on-off switch. For $17.99, they have a super cute decorative cloche with some white trees and a little red house inside. This one is light up and it is battery operated. For $29.99, they do have a LED candelabra. This is black metal, and this is just the wire. Down here they're displaying something for $12.99, but they don't have one yet out of the box. They have another candelabra for $19.99. This one is also not on display yet, but I believe it is white. And for $4.99, they do have some small red lampshades. For $12.99, they have a small paper house lantern, and for $14.99, the larger Christmas tree. For just $9.99, they have a beautiful white house lantern. It is metal and 14 inches. For $5.99, they have some adorable little white metal lantern houses. For $9.99, they have a black metal candle chandelier. For $9.99, they also have the white decorative houses. This year their Santa looks a bit different from last year, in a gray sweater for $9.99. They also have this little guy in gray for $9.99. And for $5.99, they have the red felt Christmas tree. And for $9.99, they have quite a few gnomes to choose from in gray and red. And for $4.99, they have some adorable white house lanterns. They have little white handles and are battery operated. They remind me so much of the ones from Target. For $4.99, they have a set of 3 plastic red lanterns. And down here for $5.99, they have the larger version in black. For $2.99, they have a set of 3 bottle brush trees. We have some beautiful wreath options this year. They've got this plain black wire version for $2.99, and this with a little bit of greenery on the bottom. It is also just $2.99. They have the one with the LED candle for $7.99, and a slightly larger version without the candle for $4.99. So for $7.99, they did some adorable string lights, and they come in some really cute little red tins. They've got it in the snowman and the gift boxes, and my favorite, the peppermints. And for $7.99, they do have a set of really small red star LED lights. For $5.99, they have a Santa snow globe. For $7.99, they have a little Santa, reindeer, and sleigh. For $9.99, they have a set of little houses and a Christmas tree. For $7.99, they have a set of 3 little Santa-looking gnomes. They have all kinds of ornaments to choose from, sets from $12.99 all the way down to $4.99 for these little red paper snowflakes. For $5.99, they have a set of the red bells, and they brought back the little mushrooms for $3.99. For $3.99, they have a set of miniature metal ornaments. This year they're doing a lot of paper ornaments, as you can see. They have the pine cones for $5.99, the sets of little white houses for $3.99. I wish those were metal. They also have some stars. For $1.99, they have a set of 6 Santa hats and some more Christmas trees, also a set of 6 for $1.99. Down here, they've got a little wooden pack of ornaments, no prices on those yet, and some super cute little ornament sets. These are $5.99 a piece, all red and white. For $4.99, they have a set of 3 shatterproof ornaments in blue and red. For $24.99, they also have a snowflake-shaped black metal Christmas tree base. For $9.99, they have this glass Christmas tree, and the top comes off, making it the perfect candy dish. They have a few tiered trays. This one is glass and is $17.99. They also have a smaller version in white. I'm only seeing the 2 tiers. That's also $17.99, white metal. And they also have this beautiful serving dish. It's $14.99. They're just calling it a serving plate. As you can see, it's sort of a creamy white or beige. Very nice. And you guys, for $12.99, they actually have a 3-tiered tier tray in black metal. So it has a handle up top, and all of the trays sort of have a lip to them. The bottom is nice and big. For $2.99, they have some mini melamine trays in red and black. For $2.99, they have the vintage looking salad plates with some blue and red holly. And for $1.99, they have some mugs with a winter scene around them. For 99 cents, they have some placemats with that same blue and red holly around the edge. And for $1.99, they have their printed winter napkins. They also have some red table runners for $4.99 and a very Scandinavian looking table runner, blues and reds, for $4.99. So you guys, Buffalo Plaid has made it to Ikea for $5.99, and they have square melamine style trays. So they have a few lanterns I wanted to share with you guys. This one is the smaller for $9.99 and the larger one for $12.99. For $4.99, they do have some ceramic white candlestick holders, very old-fashioned looking. You guys, for $1.99, they have the cutest little Christmas trees in white plastic pots. Also for $1.99, we have some small potted poinsettias. For $3.99, they have some red ceramic flower pots. Lots of faux greenery down below. Whites, reds, and a little bit of pine. These are $12.99. Up here for $2.99, they have some adorable little potted hearts. These are black metal with a little bit of boxwood and berries. For $2.99, they do have some red metal buckets with little hearts on them. Lots of faux greenery. They do a great boxed wood. They also have the poinsettias, and for $9.99, they did this with some orchids, some pine, and succulents. For $14.99, they did these little arrangements with some pine and poinsettias. And down here, for $7.99, they do have some topiary pine trees. These come in gray pots. They have more lights, these shaped like mushrooms. They have the larger one for $14.99 and the smaller one for $9.99. They are battery operated. For $7.99, they also have the LED light up decorative cloches. They're also battery operated. And I think these might be in the wrong place, but I'm very tempted to purchase one. It's just a small glass cloche. They also put out these super cute miniature Christmas trees, a set of 3 for $5.99. These do light up and are LED. They have the larger one for $7.99 and the medium also for $5.99. Also for $5.99, they have this LED light up decorative light, and again the set of 3 for $5.99 in the smaller size. For $5.99, they do have the white light up mushrooms. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming along with me to Ikea today to take a look at all they're putting out for Christmas. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you back very soon.